how to transfer money from Western Union to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Western Union and then simply create your free account. Now after you create your free account, what you're gonna have to do is simply log in into your account and then simply click on send money. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the amount of money that you want to transfer and then select bank account. Then you're gonna have to choose how do you like to pay. So as you can see, you have pay online, so you can use your credit or debit card or your bank account, or you can go and pay cash in store. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to PayPal and then go to wallet. Now after you go to wallet, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on link a bank and then simply link the same bank account that you just sent the money to, and basically you're gonna be able to transfer the money from Western Union to PayPal. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.